Hey there, so what is TouchTunes app Jukeboxes near you? So how does it work and what's basically the idea? So it's quite popular niche app. It's only available in US, Canada, and UK. And how it works basically, you can just see here um, that you download this app, and this is a cool way you can control of the music on the jukebox from your device at over 65,000 bars, restaurants, and local hotspots. With the TouchTunes app's personalized experience is a snap to find and play your favorite songs without ever having to leave your seat. Simply check in, search for your music, and purchase credits and play a song. Yeah, so that's the idea. So you just have this overview of jukeboxes near you, and you can just allow and then you can select music to play on the jukebox through your device, be the house DJ and on the night. The first screen you will see on the TouchTunes app is the jukeboxes near you screen. Simply tap the name of the venue from the list of available venues. So here is just like an idea. So you can find it like just in your area, in your restaurants and bars, whatever. The thing is also it's only available in US, UK, Canada. So if you're traveling in Europe or Asia, it's not available. But anyhow, and then you just create an account. So you can just sign up. You can log in with Facebook or create with Apple ID. Then you can just search for a song, just search music. And then your search results will be related to artist and song title. And then you just select a song and purchase jukebox credits. Tap on the song title, album artwork, select Fast Pass or Play. This will take you to the wallet view where you can purchase jukebox credits. Select the amount of credits and then you can pay with credit, debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and then press play, enjoy a song. If you purchase credits, you will be asked, and tap OK on the song and will be added to the queue. So there you have it. That's basically the process. You can always reach out to their chat if something is not working. So that's basically the idea. You need to give location to allow location while using this app, and if you are traveling, it's not available everywhere. So that's basically the idea. Then you can see your previous locations. And then also you can just tap to get credits. Payment method, it says Apple Pay. You can always change your payment method here. Then there are like credits where you can just get some credits. You can get like 12 credits for $7 plus 1 credit free, 24 credits for $14, 48 credits for $28. Everywhere credits are used to play songs on any mobile enabled TouchTunes jukebox within the country where they were purchased. Credits can be purchased using either credit, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal. And then you can also activate auto refill options and then just have them there. There is also some promo credits which you can get. So yeah, that's basically the idea of it. It's like pretty cool app. So definitely give it a try and check it out. So yeah, hope that is helpful. It's pretty cool app. Go and get it.